My DNA, if you cut it, it just bleeds Baba. It bleeds ODM. When we were together, I was the first person to be vilified for working with Baba. In 2022, the then deputy president started fighting me because I said Nairobi how it is. Nairobi belongs to all of us. And there is no way you can ignore ODM in Nairobi unless you're out of your mind. And so I started working closely with the Baba. Of course, before that, we were also very close. I'm sure those of you who are in Nairobi politics, Orero and TJ, even during campaigns, you never had Baba campaign against me, even though I was in another party, because he knew this is his son. And you know what happened? Rachel Shebesh and Kananu took me somewhere one day when we were still making decisions, and Baba was there. And Baba told me, now my son, you want to be governor but unatembea na watu ya ushago. Nikamwambia dad. Nikamwambia dad, mimi najua vile siasa inakaa. Nimekuwa senator wa Nairobi. I've been an MP. I feel it's time to go for governor seat. But your brother, who is supporting you, that was the then president, will not give me a ticket. Because his people will pressure him that if you're supporting Baba for presidency, kiti ya governor, iende kwa jamii. And I have no way of changing my community. I have no way of becoming anybody else. Please, wacha nitafute njia yangu. And he gave me his blessings. And that is why I attribute my success. Many of you in ODM, you voted for the party. You voted for your senator, for your women rep, for your MP, for your MCS, ODM, but governor. Mulipatia. So in future, we'll make it easier for all of us as we move along. I just want to assure you that you can count on my 100% support. Many of you here know, the commissioners, you know, how I have held the party even through the election process. SG. My office in Riverside almost became a small chungwa house because I had an instruction from Baba and the president on what I needed to do. Mimi sitoki hapo. So akina Brayo, hamjacho peke yenu. Sisi tuna support party leader, and mimi I will facilitate. Vitu ndogo ndogo msisumbue party leader. Sawa sawa. I know sometimes people are worried and concerned about the city. Formula ya Nairobi ni tofauti na Ushago. Formula ya Nairobi ni tofauti. Nairobi sio kifua, ni akili na ni kuchora kabla ya kuweka mawe. So sisi tuko na formula yetu. Tuko na formula yetu ambayo tunachora na hawa bunge na itaingiana. Hiyo I assure you itaingiana. Mimi sijai kuwa kwa siasa ya kuanguka. Na hii tunachukua. Na hii tunaingia kwa power. So anything that you ever require. Kwanza hii ofisi pia itachungwa na Nairobi County because iko hapa na itapatiwa heshima yake, si ndio hiyo? So akina Chayo ndugu yangu, mkifanya security mjue pia kuna backup. Na mnajua ile kitu namaanisha. Backup iko bro. Sawa sawa. So may God bless you. And as you've said, I heard you very, yesterday in Siaya. What manner of foolishness would it be to want to get into government by leaving government? Like, you're already in an arrangement, mko kwa serikali ndio hii, but mnataka kuingia by leaving. Yet you're already inside. You know what manner of foolishness is that? Mimi nimeambia ndugu zangu waache kujiconfuse. President William Ruto is very genuine in this relationship. I assure you he is very, very genuine. And you know what is done for our people. Siku hizi tunatembea hata with our heads up high. Saizi barabara yetu inatengenezwa Rironi mpaka Western. Things had gone to other parts of the country. Some places had been ignored. And that is why even in Nairobi we're telling people, there's some people who feel that the city is theirs by birthright. This city is for every single person. Na kazi yetu ni kuunganisha kabila zote na jamii zote za Nairobi. Because Nairobi jirani yako ndio ndugu yako. So I am very grateful for the warm welcome. I think it was a blessing that tumekuja kwa siku ya kwanza. I will keep coming. Chief of Staff, ako wapi? Ni sawa tu, lakini mkiniona hapa msishangae. Mzoe tu mimi napenda chai ya maziwa. Pio tu. Beyond that, I will do my operations as I work with you. May God bless you, and I wish you all the best. And SG, You are the Secretary General of the party. I have been the chairman of a ruling party. When I was 27 years old, I was chair of the ruling party TNA. Sasa, mi ndakupatia notes ya ruling party. Because that is what ODM is going to be. Sindo hiyo? Through this coalition and through this arrangement. Sorry, Chief of Staff, I was just saying, because now you know, you have to be my very good friend. Mkiniona area, usishangae. I just like tea with milk. So SG, walk with your head up high. Be confident. Be proud. You're leading the biggest party. Mnasemanga south of the Sahara, north of the Limpopo. And all leadership comes from God. Let no one try to tell you that you're not supposed to be where you are. If you want the backup in the city, you'll get that backup. But it's God who determines. Romans 13 said, no, any leadership on authority comes from God. So tutakuombea, tutakusupport, tutakuback whatever you require. Ya mwisho, hao wengine ambao wanaanza kusumbua, tutadili nao Nairobi. Na hiyo tunaijua. Ama ni aje Orero? Hii town, hawataleta hiyo mchezo. Hapa tunasimama gangari because tunataka power. Na hiyo power itapatikana. May God bless you and be assured that you have a friend in me. Thank you very much.